Yoruba demon they knock anything. Burning the midnight with.
Yo, this man said it's Yoruba body, they knock anything. I am dying. I am screaming. Next track, Bounce. Rema has a song called Bounce too. That's funny.
She wants a gangster in a bed tonight. She wants me, I know. And man, a full ground me a day tonight. She a calling my phone. Oh, she say why me so unruly.
He has this measure, he has this fuse of bashment. It feels like an Afro swing kind of bob to it. I love it.
Tell me the main reason you want me. The man with a ED. Curious girl, she got questions for Siri. We got that booty and wine for me. So crazy, you driving me.
Oh, this would be good in the Caribbean. Let's go.
I'm sliding it. Spread it out to
this is a sexy record. Let's go.
Spread them so widely.
See, he's referencing Caribbean girls. Yo, they better market the song. They better market the song in the Caribbeans. Like, they have to. They just have to. You better push this record there, man. This is... Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay.
Me, I'm like money and they smell like mints. In a come for every day flaunting. Yoruba demon they knock anything. Burning the midnight with.
Yo, this man said it's Yoruba body, they knock anything. I am dying. I am screaming. This guy. But bro, this delivery is very convincing, okay? You know, there's a lot of this like, oh, Nigerians like to form Jamo here and there. But he's obviously, this patois, his confidence sounds kind of convincing on here. Like, am I mad to think that? Like, bro, this sounding very creative, very dope. Very, very like it's built for a carnival, man. Caribana, let's go. Like, come on.
They smell like mints. In a come for every day flaunting. Yoruba demon they knock anything.
Hey, that's the line of the day. That's the line of the day, man.
Just a easer, Gina. Better quickly stop the teaser.
Oh, the ladies will dig this for sure. Hey, hey. Come on. Hey, come on. You just want to catch your mind to this, don't you? Eh? Hey, let's go. What? Hey, no loud down. The harmonies, just chill, the vibe, bro. Let's go. Guys, it brings me no joy to say this, but I unfortunately lost the file from this point of my live reaction. And with new methods of recording, there's a risk of not necessarily, there's some technical issues of not like getting it quite right. But I've learned from this mistake with this new method, and moving on, I promise you it's not going to happen again. And so yeah, my final remarks about Bounce and Yekba reaction, and then my final remarks about the entire EP were unfortunately lost due to this mishap. So I'm going to be re-recording my remarks about those songs and the EP in general, but I'm not going to have my live reaction again because I can't re-record my first listen. So I'm so sorry, guys. So apologies for that. But for as far as Bounce goes, you guys I think you got the gist of my impression about the song. It's a very, very good bop. It's like, it really, really screams summer vibes, lets you coming out of this lockdown and like, you know what I mean, have a good time. It's quite bad timing for the song, especially with the fact that there's another song called Bounce out there with someone from his own label. So I don't know if they didn't really like clock that these two songs are gonna be out around the same time. But I think this song should be pushed and marketed well in the Caribbean. I think it's a testament of his genre and the range that Ruga has in this Afro dancehall space. And that Afro dancehall space has been it's been beautiful seeing two cultures kind of like merge into different ways. You know what I mean? African diaspora, because you're seeing Africa and the Caribbeans merging in different ways culturally and through the music, and it's just a beautiful sight. It's so wholesome to see that, and this song just proves something like that. It feels like something a Caribbean-born artist can pull out, and it's so authentic. It's so rich. It's so true to the art form of dancehall, and I really, really appreciated that song. So yeah, man, I think it's an absolute bop, and like again, like I said before, okay, I'm devastated by the fact that I can't show you guys my live reaction, but trust me, this was an absolute bop. I'm coming back to this. Definitely one of my favorites on the EP. The EP reaction is coming very soon, and It'll be out very soon. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your patience on this entire EP, man. I'll see you guys on the full reaction video. Let's go.